Hi guys, so good evening, welcome back to my magical world. It's me, Frostbite, your favorite celebrity. Ayan, medyo ano ko. I'm feeling the feels. Okay, so let's check first. The time is 11:27 in the evening, and today is Tuesday, April 2, 2024. Okay, so marami akong nasagap na balita today. Bad news and good news and middle news. I don't know guys, like for the many things. So ngayon, siguro later na lang tayo mag-film. Hindi pa, I don't, paano ba? Wala pa ako sa mood guys. Yan, kita nyo na wala pa ako sa mood. Kasi medyo, tiring yung day. Diba sabi ko sa'yo, nag-lockjaw ako for here, this part. So, I already made appointments dapat bukas. So, Wednesday, tomorrow. Sa hospital and doon sa other doctor. Pero hindi ko sure kung magpo-proceed ako. Titingnan ko. Kasi medyo I feel better na eh. Nakaka-chew na ako ng a little bit of rice. So, hindi ko alam kung ano yung lagay niya talaga completely. So, I will definitely know that. Siguro tomorrow, kung kaya ko naman siyang wag na. Or, kung hindi talaga kaya, that I have to go to the doctor. Wala naman din problema. But, I wanted to rest sana bukas. Kasi, I'm sure I'm gonna be busy again. Soon, nararamdaman ko na yung upcoming business ko. Kasi, there are many things that needs to be done for the next couple of months. Okay? Kasi, 'di ba? Ito na eh. Ito na yung turning point. Malapit na. So, I'm just waiting for that. And, yan. So, may mga haka-haka. May mga, ito kasi for the upcoming eclipse. Again. So, there are many gossips, doubts, whatever guys. But, know that whatever is meant to happen will happen. Walang makakapigil niyan. Okay? So, don't really worry about it. You don't really have to think too much about it. Stop being interfered with fear. Just go with your day-to-day lives. Kasi, day-to-day life, kasi gano'n naman talaga. Okay? Marami naman talagang negative shit that you will come across kasi syempre you're using your phone every day and you will come across many news. So, learn to observe and not absorb it. Okay? So, maging matalino talaga kayo. Like, this very moment and this time of our century. So, you really have to be strong enough, resilient enough to not absorb anything. Kasi, may nakita kasi akong videos and it's so true guys. Like, since 2019, everything you see is an illusion. Kasi everything is possible na nowadays. And again, yung mga media shit, like all of these things, these are manipulated, diba? Yung algorithm and all of those things are being manipulated and filtered. Okay? So, not entirely the message that you wanted to deliver to the masses they will see it. Right? So, again, use your discernment and your intelligence when depicting and understanding things. Many things, situations, circumstances. Medyo malalim yung sasabi ko. I don't know if you really understand it, but it doesn't really matter. So, the strong will always understand. And the weak will try to understand. Kaya don't worry about it, guys. If you are ready to receive the message, diba? You just get the point. You don't need to have much, paano ba? Mercury retrograde kasi ngayon, hindi ko ma-deliver yung message ko ng fluently. So, you'll easily get what I'm just trying to say to you guys is that you're going to easily receive and digest the message or absorb it if you are ready to receive those things. If your level of understanding, here, your brain and your body and all of that is just like ready to receive the information, you'll just understand it. Pero kapag hindi ka pa ready, of course, it's gonna be difficult for you to even realize what I'm saying. Okay? So anyways, so wala naman tayong gagawin ngayon kundi magchika. And I've heard yung chichikahin ko na lang din kayo kasi nagchika na tayo. Yung one of the businesses, medyo sikat siyang business. So parang nag-post sila yesterday na April Fools, 'di ba? So maraming content creator na doon react. So alam mo yun, kasi yung like the father is needy of the money. 'Di ba? When you're needy, you are exuding and embodying desperation. Kasi yung anak niya may sakit and all. So, ayan, nagpatato sa forehead and all of that. So, ang sad lang ng ganong scenario. 'Di ba? That you have to do it. That they have to post it. Kasi na siya it will cause injury na mentally and physically. Kasi, 'di ba? Why would you do that? To print the logo on your forehead. Print to tattoo. 'Di ba? So, nakakaasar lang nung nalaman ko yun na ganung narinig ko lang, lately lang, kanina lang na nalaman ko kasi medyo trending siya ngayon. So, it's really so annoying. So, meron pa yung diskarte or diploma. Actually, matagal ko na yung nakikita, pero nakikainis kasi. May point naman na, alam nyo guys, gusto ko ito ipaliwanag ng thoroughly. Sige, paano ba? Makinig kayo maigi sa akin ha. So, nasa Pilipinas kayo ha. Nasa Pilipinas tayo. Okay? Hindi pwede dito yung diskarte lang. Kailangan mas maganda parehas. Okay? So, usually kasi, kapag hindi ka talaga nakapagtapos, 'di ba? Mababa talaga yung tingin sa'yo ng tao. Madaling ngayon mag-research, guys. Madaling ipahanap ka, napakadali ng mga bagay-bagay ngayon. So, kung ipabukal yung life mo, paano ba? Yung kung ipa-dissect, investigate, it's so easy to do it right now. So, hindi talaga kayo makakatago sa mga kinauukulan and for the higher ups. Kasi syempre, they do such kind of things to filter the valuable people. What do you mean valuable? Hindi naman sa dahil nakapagtosas ka kasi you go through, one of the reasons na din yun, pero alam mo yun, you go through the process kasi. And it's so important to do that. Kasi nga, yun yung learning stage. Okay? Kahit na it's really important yung learning skill. Kaya nga may mga nangyayaring ganitong nagpapaniwala sa April Fools, di ba? Kasi kulang sila ng understanding. Yun lang. Misunderstanding sa mga bagay-bagay, di ba? Yung desperation, call of desperation. Bakit? Kasi, syempre, sikli pa yung niinis lang ako kasi, naiinis lang ako sa ganong guys, na wala lang. Hindi kasi siya makatarungan and makatao yung ganong kung napasok ka sa ganong scenario. So, yan. Nahirap laging iniisip ng lahat na madaling sabihin na madali kasi may pera ka, ganun. Pero hindi guys. Lahat ng bagay is ginagawa ng paraan. Okay? Wala ka nang magagawa. Ito personal personal advice. Kapag nabuhay ka dito guys, sa earth, lalo na napunta ka sa Pilipinas o sa mga third world country, na there are extreme, poverty, and alam mo yun, yung education system is so fucking down. 'Di ba? Learn your best, do your best. Talaga guys. As in, gawin niyo yung lahat ng bagay to to finish school, to self-educate. Okay? So, sinasabi lahat, madalas sinasabi na hindi mo na kailangan ng diploma, ganun. Let's take the short road to success, ganun. Pero, iba pa rin guys, talaga, pag nakapagtapos ka, that you work hard for it. Okay? Kung tinatahak mo yung path of professionalism. Okay? So, alam naman natin na oo, matindi na yung inflation ngayon and all of that. Pero, kasi guys, nasa Pilipinas ka. Tandaan mo, kung nasa Pilipinas ka, kailangan mo mag-aral. Ng mag-aral. Pagkatapos mo nang makuha yung diploma mo, pwede mo yan pagsabayin. If kaya mo, do business and all of that. Pero wag nilang sasabihin na hindi mo na kailangan mag-aral. Kasi paano na? Kung di ka na mag-aaral, ano gagawin mo? Diba? Tutunga nga. So, yung life is never-ending learning skills yan. Nakakainis lang yung mga naririnig kong opinions na, alam mo yun, wala na sa hulog. So, wala lang. Napakwento lang ako sa inyo guys. Kasi yung mga bad news na yan na nakakainis. Kasi maraming innocent lives and innocent people na tatamaan. Oo, tsaka pag may content creator na medyo alam mo yon kung ano-ano na lang pinagsasabi, alam naman nilang yung comprehension nga ng tao talaga dito, hindi ganun kalalim. Okay? Dito sa Pilipinas, especially. Hindi ko to dinadaw na, I love this country, I live here. Pero, my God, guys. Kaya, basta, and don't mock those intelligent people na kinokorek kayo kasi yun na nga lang yung way para matuto kayo tas magkakaroon pa ng mockery or hindi mo pa matanggap yung mali mo. Paano ka matututo? Diba? Huwag masyadong mataas yung yung heels. Yung ihi, guys. So, ayan, napakwento na ako. Naiinis kasi ako sa nasa scroll ko kanina nung nadali lang naman din. Hindi naman ako nagbababad. Kasi syempre I also do many things. So ayan, yan, sana I hope I'll have a peaceful Wednesday bukas kasi balita ko lang pasok. So it's a good news and it's always a good news, syempre. Kasi you have your time for yourself kapag walang pasok or you have time to do other things. Ayun guys, tsaka sa mga kaibigan ko. Kasi may mga a little bit super close na ako ditong people. Pero hindi pa nila alam yung channel ko. So, gugulat yun pag nalaman nila. So, I'm just really grateful to the people that are here with me now kasi, secret channel to. So, just saying. So, ayan. Ngayon, bukas na siguro, I'm gonna talk to you tomorrow regarding the book. So, yun, magpahinga muna tayo ngayon. Tuesday ngayon, so today is a productive day so far. Yeah. Oh, yan, thank you pala dun sa nagbigay sa akin ng it's actually a protection thing. Hindi ko na-mention na. Basta, it keeps you away from, paano ba? Basta pinoprotect ka niya, yung thing na yun, sa mga gossip, sa mga bad people, ganun. Kasi, sa mga inggit, ganun. Kasi, alam niyo naman, hindi naman maiwasan yung mga inggiterang tao ngayon. Like, buti ko, it's good if I don't feel it. But you know that I'm built different. So, wait lang. I'm built different. So, alam ko kaagad what is going on. Madalas hindi ko talaga ina-address or very seldom kung i-address yung mga bagay-bagay kasi not confrontational kasi it will hurt them. It will hurt you. So, hindi as much as possible. If I can tame my mouth, I always do it. Pero kapag hindi na, Kapag hindi ko na kaya, I'm also so blunt. I'm gonna put you where you belong. Kaya kami guys, yung mga taong we rarely get mad, or huwag nyo talagang sinasagad ang dapat hindi masagad. Kasi once we talk, we never stop talking. And wala kaming pakialam kung sinong aabutan ng sasabihin namin. Kasi we rarely say things. So, when we say things, it's true, it's blunt, and it's on point, conflict. So, iniwasan ko yung ganong mga bagay-bagay kasi sasaktan kayo. Yan. Kapag na ganun ako. Pero usually naman hindi. Huwag lang umabot sa ganong phase kasi me also, I don't like myself when I'm mad. Yan. I also I don't even like the feeling of it. Kasi, bihira lang ako magalit. Well, yan. Dagdal ko, guys. Yan. Sige na. I'm gonna film, siguro, hindi ko alam, bukas, about the book. So, ngayon, nag-loosen up lang tayo dahil sa aking, lockjaw. Yan, medyo naging okay na din ngayon. So, hindi ko talaga alam kung pupunta ako ng doctor, like, bukas. Or I'm just going to rest. Or, I'm gonna meet a friend tomorrow, pero masaglit lang naman. Yan. So, ayan guys. Thank you guys for listening to my rant. Rant. Hindi naman siya rant. More like, i-advise ko lang kayo guys na iwasan nyo yung pang-prank. Ito pa guys ha. Wala naman yung naalala lang ko. So, sa India ata yun. Like, may prank siya. Tapos, parang yung medyo may edad ng lalaki and maskulado yung guy. Tapos, prank niya yung paano ba? Yung torotot. Basta English yun. Basta yun yung torotot, guys. Tapos, hinipan niya yan sa may tenga nung guy na lalaki na medyo maskulado. Shucks yan. Medyo serious type pala yung guys. Anong ginawa? Sinampal ng sobrang lakas. Sinapak. Ganun. O, diba, nakuha niya yung hinahanap niya. Kasi guys, kapag magpa-prank kayo, siguro sa mga kaibigan, pero sa mga hindi nyo kakilala, don't do that. If you are ready for the consequences, sige, mamamay, mabaril kayo or what, bahala kayo dyan. Diba? So, dapat din kayo sa mga kilos nyo. Maging aware naman kayo sa mga pinagagawa nyo sa buhay. Kasi, may cause and effect. It's the law of the universe. Cause and effect. So, make sure that all the things that you do are for the good cause. Para yung effect nun, 'di ba? Will create triple effects of good also. Kasi you'll have impulsive move. Good luck talaga. Good luck sa mga impulsive, crazy people and decision. Ayan. So, sige na guys, tulog na tayo. Sakit pa din kapag nagyoyon ako. Masakit pa din. But it's not too much naman. Pero I don't like being in pain kasi nagpa-RBS nga doon eh. Kahit ngayon hindi ako nagpa-try. Anyways, I will see you again. Okay? So please guys, please behave well sa labas. Pwede naman kayo mag-misbehave, pero ilulugar nyo, okay? Kung ayaw nyo ilugar, bahala kayo sa consequences. Basta ready kayo. Tandaan nyo guys, maraming namamatay sa maling akala. Okay? So, ayan. Yung mga nag-swimming, yun pa yung mga nakaraan, may nag-swim ng chika lang to dun sa previous na pinuntahan namin. Lately lang, dun sa resort, may namatay dun. And I remember them telling us that they don't let us swim that night kasi it's, the waves is too much. Taas yung alon. So, sinabihan kami na wag na kaming tumuloy na mag-swim. Yan, hindi na kami tumuloy mag-swim noon. Tapos yun, nabasa ko lately yung namatay nga. Na ano lang ako, just I remember. So, sometimes it's important to listen talaga. Okay, dun sa mga nakakatanda na, yung alam na nila yung talagang way of life. Tsaka pag yung signs, pay attention to signs kasi it's really important. Pag sinabihan naman kayo and you have a gut feeling na you will be okay naman once nasabihan kayo, sundin nyo. Yan na, feeling, ayoko nagsasermon guys. Yan na, tulog na tayo. Feeling ko sinasermonan ko kayo. Ayoko nang ganun. So, nag-ano na tayo. Like, warnings and all. Okay? So, good night. Hopefully, we all feel better na bukas. Dahil ako, hindi pa ako, I don't know. You pray for my, panga. Okay, sige na. Bye. Baka mag-post ko to late. So, I don't know. Good night.